Are you losing thousands of pounds on therapy without even realizing it? Let's dive into this quick explainer.
2,550 quid. Yeah, that's your standard private therapy budget right there.
It's a brutal trade-off, right? Wait 30-plus weeks on the NHS or pay those massive private fees.
And honestly, NHS stats are tricky. Starting treatment often just means getting a self-help workbook, not one-on-one therapy.
Beware of hidden fees, too. Cancellations and travel mean real private costs are actually 15% higher.
Over 12 months, that gap is massive. We're talking 800 to 6,000 pounds for 40 sessions.
But hey, there's a super smart way to beat the wait and the cost. It's the hybrid hack.
First, absolutely check your workplace EAP. So many of us forget we have 6 to 8 free sessions.
Next, look into sliding scale options. Places like Mind or university clinics offer amazing therapy on a real budget.
By mixing and matching, Sarah from Leeds spent just 900 pounds instead of 2,500. Crazy, right?
The golden rule here? Always self-refer to the NHS online immediately as your backup while using private options.
Now, if you are in a crisis, do not wait. Hit up free 24/7 services like NHS 111.
So, what's next? Take 10 minutes with the Cost Saver Therapy Cost Planner before you spend a single penny.
Could an hour of planning literally save you thousands? Check out the full Cost Saver blog to find out.